Welcome back. Zero is all set to create something special for you. Today Zero is painting Oscar the Pug. For this painting, Zero is using 7 colors plus a copper background, starting with burnt umber, raw umber, burnt sienna, raw sienna, lamp black, white, and Naples yellow. Next up, the brushes, starting with 2 sharp fine point round brushes, 2 small flat brushes, a medium round brush, and a 3-inch flat brush. First up, we use the large flat to lay down an acrylic copper background. Next, we use the large flat to create a pug shape in black. We start basic and add details. Today Zero is working from dark to light, so he starts to lighten this pug shape. Starting with the cute little pug nose. Build a basic nose shape, then add detail and highlight. Now we build the muzzle and start moving down to that cute pug fur coat. Build a basic shape, add shadows, then highlight. Here we do some basic fur shapes and let that dry. Now we go back to those cute soulful pug eyes. This is where the emotion enters the painting. This is Oscar's resting pug face. Next we start on those adorable pug wrinkles. We start dark, work lighter, and then add some highlights. We highlight everything that is lit up with the Naples yellow. Our light source is directly above, so we highlight and shade with light coming from the top down. We work on each bump and wrinkle separately, highlighting then shading from the top down. We use white and Naples yellow and work carefully around each eye. Now we are ready to finish the eyes. We are adding in the reflections using white. Each eye has its own reflections. Now we add some highlights and shadow to the ears. Now that the body is dry, we can add some details there too, like darker shadows and highlights. Every brushstroke gets us closer to a finished portrait. Next, a few shadows and highlights on the cute little wrinkles. We start with burnt umber, add Naples yellow, then finish with white highlights. More detail to the muzzle and white highlights. Finally, last step is to use black on the darkest parts of the shadows. And now we have a super cute pug painting by Zero. This is just a basic lesson. You can add as much detail as you want. If you liked this video, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. Until next time.